Here's a quarter-hour cuckoo clock that I picked up while I was in Springfield. A good friend of mine gave me a bunch of these clocks because he don't like them because they're a pain in the butt to work on. But as you can see, it is working. The bellows is a German quarter-hour cuckoo clock. It says right there, made in Germany. But the bellows on these things are glued down, and this wire right here on the right bellow holds it up in the air until the left bellow comes down. So there it is, held up in the air, and then this wire here takes the right bellow down. And they're called quarter-hour cuckoo clocks because there's a pedal-like system inside here. This one's all rusty, but there's a pedal-like system that every 15 minutes it rotates. But anyway, I am going to give this to a neighbor of mine because they're good people. And it's Valentine's Day, so the pendulum is a heart that says Neil loves Sarah. But anyway, I hope y'all like this video. Please hit the subscribe button, and God bless.